What's up, you guys? So today I wanted to make a video and talk about owning a German Shepherd or just any long-haired dog and what you have to go through when it comes to that time where you need to brush them. Now you know it's time to brush a dog when you look around the house and you just see dog fur in a massive amount all over the place. Now with a long-haired dog, you're gonna get that pretty often, but when it gets to a point to where it's just like you know you just vacuumed the house like yesterday, and here it is the next day, it's already looking the exact same way again with all the dog fur, it might be time to brush your dog and give him a bath. But for this particular video, we're just going to address the subject of brushing your dog. So a lot of people tell me that they want a German Shepherd and they've been wanting a German Shepherd for a very long time, and a lot of times I ask them, have you ever had a German Shepherd or a long-haired dog or a dog with multiple coats of fur? And they say no, but they would love to have that type of dog because they would love to hold it and cuddle it and all that little cute stuff and everything, right? Well, today I might just change your mind on that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, here we have my German Shepherd, and over here I have about a 3-gallon bucket. We're going to see just how much dog hair we can fill into this bucket. So here is the brush that I'm going to be using today. It's called the Furminator. It's for long-haired dogs. It's actually one of the best dog brushes I've ever used. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this. Money, come on. we're done. Really, but not really, because I've been brushing him for about 30 minutes straight now, and it's still tons of fur. I'm just gonna, you know, stop right there, give him a bath, and call it wraps from there. But before I do that, let's see how much fur we got. Woo, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at all of this fur. Look at that. That is crazy. And this is just the fur that we was able to get in the bucket. There was a lot of fur that blew away in the wind. A lot of fur that's still blowing around. It's like, it's like fur blowing. It's like fur blowing everywhere right now. Oh my God, fur's on my face. If you want a German Shepherd or a long-haired dog, before getting one, just remember this. Yeah, it's like a little you. He doesn't care. Anyway, that's our video for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Peace.